What you need, girl? I need a hot boy. 6 foot with 6 figures and a big toy. Heard he moving weight down south to Chicago, Illinois. And he need a college girl to account, so I employ. Cause I'm a 5-star chick doing 5-star tricks.
Taking my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm gonna take this shade first and put that in as a transition shade. Just basically putting it all over right here. For transition shades, I like to go like a shade above my skin tone. So if you're a darker girl, just go a shade above. If you're a lighter girl, just go a shade above. Colors that I think are gonna not really stand out, but blend, you know, from your eyebrow to down. Now taking my Morphe 3502 palette still, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into this chocolate shade right here that I have never used. I'm trying to use more shades in my palettes that I don't really use. And I'm just gonna put that right here. And I'm just patting it in. Now that it's patted in, I'm gonna go ahead and start blending out. And we're keeping this eyeshadow round today. Now I want some intensity in this corner. Although it is a little intense right now, I do want more. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this brown shade right here, which is like a dark plum almost. And we're gonna put that more in it. Concealer doesn't matter. I like to use a thicker concealer when I cut my crease though, just because the thicker, the less it'll move. The wider, the more you have to move it around. Now to intensify that light shade that I just put, I'm gonna take this Galaxy palette. I'm taking this light shade right here. Now I'm gonna prime my face. First taking the All Control Primer Mist. Now for extra control, True Complex Shine Control Primer from Black Radiance. Alright, so now for lashes, I did buy some new lashes since it's my okay. So I have these 5D mink lashes by Retro Tress. So this is style S504. They're very style. We're gonna put these on. Hopefully they're full enough for me because I like to stack my lashes nowadays. So hopefully they're full enough for me. I'm gonna first put my mascara on these itty bitty lashes if I still have any. Cause no. I was gonna let my lashes just fall out like as they grew, but one side looked good and one side looked missing, so I just couldn't, because it was making me look like my it was making me look like I had a lazy eye or something. So I just took them off with some olive oil, and some of my lashes, my real lashes, did come out with them. So yeah, but I don't really trip because I wear not individuals. I wear strips all the time, so it was just like whatever. So these aren't as fluffy as I would like them, so I'm probably gonna stack them like when I wear them again, but not today because they still are very pretty. I like them a lot. Now applicator is not that bad to use, so that was my first time ever using one of those. It's not bad at all. I really like it. Right, so now I just have to add my moles. I almost forgot until I looked and I was like, something is missing. Also, I got my hair done, y'all. I got it retied and washed, and we just dyed my leave outs, and now it looks flawless. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna add my moles. My one real one, but I just like to make it a little darker. We could stop at that. Maybe one on my chin. I really got a lot, but you know, I look good. Yeah. I miss doing eyeshadow because when I had those individuals, I just didn't want the eyeshadow to be getting all in between my lashes and looking like a dirty mess. So now that I have them off, I can do makeup looks, tutorials, all kinds of stuff, and I'm really feeling these lashes. I should have got 2 pair, but I'm probably gonna go back, get 2 pair and stack them because this is cute, but it's a little too natural for me. But I am loving this look. Oh, I didn't even do my lip. I'm over here talking. But yeah, for lips today, I'm gonna do a nude. So I'm taking Limbo, and I like to use Limbo as a liner since it's brown. Then I'm gonna take ColourPop Satin Lip, and this is in the color Strip. Take my finger and blend it. I'm gonna take this gloss. This is the Lucid Beauty Out Coat, just to give me a glossy effect. And this is the final look. This is your, I would say this could be for New Year's, this could be for Christmas, this could be for your birthday, this could be for anything. I look good and I can't stop looking in the mirror like always. So I'm gonna move it out the way. So I hope this video got you inspired. Makes you want to do your makeup, makes you want to do this look. If any of those things, just let me know what you do with it. Okay. Yeah, this is the final look. Feeling neat or whatever, feeling real good about it or whatever. Yeah, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I can't speak, and leave me some comments, leave me some likes. Let me know if you like how I did this video, how I edited it, or anything like that. Or do you want me to still do my full face routine and talk about what I'm doing? Or let me know, just let me know. Yeah, I did do an eyebrow tutorial, so that will be coming out soon if it doesn't come out before this video. Yeah, so yeah, I actually didn't know I was gonna do blue. I thought I was gonna do maroon shade, so that's why I have this maroon shirt on, but I didn't. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed my video. Bye.